Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Maria Puspasari. Saya merupakan dosen tetap program studi Teknik Pertambangan Batubara, Politeknik Atamigras Palembang. Dalam hal ini, saya ingin menyampaikan pernyataan diri sebagai pendidik profesional yang menyampaikan mata kuliah bahasa Inggris untuk bidang Teknik Pertambangan Batu. Mata kuliah bahasa Inggris ini dirancang untuk mahasiswa semester 3 dan bersifat aplikatif. Tujuannya adalah agar mahasiswa dapat mempelajari dan mempraktikkan bahasa Inggris untuk tujuan khususnya dalam konteks bekerja di bidang pertambangan batubara. Adapun kemampuan akhir yang dicapai oleh mahasiswa dalam materi ini adalah yang pertama, mengidentifikasi nama-nama heavy equipments dalam bahasa Inggris untuk industri bidang pertambangan batubara. Yang kedua, menjelaskan dimensi atau ukuran heavy equipments dalam bahasa Inggris. Yang ketiga, bertanya dan menjawab tentang ukuran heavy equipments dalam bahasa Inggris. Dan yang terakhir adalah berbicara secara lisan mengenai fungsi dan dimensi dari heavy equipments tersebut dalam bahasa Inggris. Untuk content delivery, salah satu materi pembelajaran pada mata kuliah ini difokuskan pada dua topik utama, yaitu heavy equipments dan talking about dimension. Melalui pendekatan yang berpusat pada mahasiswa atau student-centered approach, saya menyampaikan materi secara aktif melalui diskusi, presentasi visual, serta contoh-contoh autentik dari dunia pertambangan. Untuk interaksi dalam kelas, interaksi dirancang agar mahasiswa terlibat aktif baik dengan sesama mahasiswa maupun dengan dosen. Saya menerapkan metode think, pair, and share, di mana mahasiswa diminta untuk berpikir secara individual, kemudian berdiskusi secara berpasangan, dan kemudian berbagi pemikiran dalam diskusi kelompok. Selain itu, komunikasi dua arah antara dosen dan mahasiswa juga sangat saya tekankan untuk mendorong pemahaman dan penggunaan bahasa Inggris secara kontekstual. Adapun sistem penilaian yang saya gunakan mengacu pada rencana pembelajaran semester yang mencakup penilaian formatif dan sumatif. Teknik penilaian pada materi ini meliputi observasi aktivitas di dalam kelas, kuis, tugas individu maupun kelompok, serta ujian akhir. Indikator penilaian pada materi ini mencakup 1. Mahasiswa mampu mengidentifikasi nama-nama heavy equipments dalam bahasa Inggris untuk bidang pertambangan batubara. Kemudian, mahasiswa mampu menjelaskan dimensi atau ukuran alat berat menggunakan bahasa Inggris secara tertulis. Kemudian yang ketiga adalah mahasiswa mampu bertanya dan menjawab tentang heavy equipments dan dimension dalam bahasa Inggris secara fasih dan percaya diri. Dan yang terakhir, mahasiswa mampu berbicara tentang fungsi dan ukuran heavy equipments dalam bahasa Inggris secara fasih dan percaya diri. Seluruh pembelajaran dilaksanakan secara tatap muka dengan suasana kelas dan media pembelajaran yang mendukung kolaborasi dan interaksi aktif mahasiswa. Dengan strategi ini, saya berkomitmen untuk menciptakan pembelajaran yang efektif, aplikatif, dan relevan dengan dunia kerja di sektor pertambangan batubara, sekaligus mendorong mahasiswa untuk berani menggunakan bahasa Inggris dalam konteks profesional. Demikian pernyataan diri saya. Semoga dapat memberikan gambaran menyeluruh mengenai proses pembelajaran dan metode pengajaran yang saya terapkan. Dan selamat menikmati video pembelajaran saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. How are you today? Fine. Have you got your lunch? Have you got your lunch already? No? Not yet? After this, we will have lunch together, yeah? At your home, yeah? Okay. Before we start, who wants to lead our prayer? Rizky? Ya. Pimpin doa.
Semuanya duduk siap, gerak. Untuk mengawali MK kita pada siang hari ini, ada baik kita baca doa. Doa mulai. Doa selesai. Beri salam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to continue our lesson from the previous week, dari minggu kemarin. But last week itu about health and safety. This week we are going to talk about this. Take a look at the picture, my picture here. What can you see in the picture? Yeah, manual equipment. Do you know what's the item on the picture? Name? Yeah, what's that? We will talk about this later. Yeah, okay, keep it in mind. So yeah, we're going to talk about mining equipment. So today, what are you going to do? Yeah, this is the learning objectives. First, we will identify heavy equipment used in coal mining, especially underground mining at the beginning. Okay, and then you are going to talk about describing dimension of heavy equipments, and then to ask for and giving information about mining equipments. And the last one, we're going to talk about heavy equipments. Actually, not we, but you. You are going to talk about heavy equipments. Okay, does anybody know what is heavy equipment? Ada yang tahu apa itu heavy equipment dulu? Maybe you can say the definition or examples. Heavy, it was heavy. Heavy in bahasa is berat. Equipment, alat. Yeah, so heavy equipment, alat berat. Yeah. Now, I have some equipments here. Yeah, are you familiar with this? Maybe you pernah lihat? Have you seen them before? No. Okay. Now, these are the equipments used in underground mining, especially for coal. Yeah, underground coal mining. If you take a look at that, the first one, anybody know what is it? Or what is that, Melinda? Yeah, scoop tram. Yeah, it's a scoop tram. Let me give you my laser. This one, the scoop tram, very good. And the second one, cable turn. Yeah, betul. This is called cable turn. Yeah. And next, this one? Yes, scalar. How do you write scalar? Scalar, yeah. From timbangan, scalar. Okay. And then next, after scalar, we have this. Looks like a truck. Mixer truck. Yeah, it's a mixer truck. And go up there. This is looks like a bus, yeah. Yeah, but this is called personal carrier. Or I think we can say this is a personal bus, ya, for the worker, ya, untuk workernya. Kalau dia kerja di tambang, dia pakai this type of carrier. And next, what is one? Yeah, truck, underground truck. Okay, underground truck. And this one. Look at this. This is used to shoot. What is it? Shoot crater, yeah. Shoot crater. Yeah, shoot crater. And next, right, this one. Yeah, very good, Ridandi. Road header. Yeah, road header. And above the road header, there's looks like a leaf, you know, apa nih? Scissors leaf, yeah, scissors leaf. Okay, and above the scissors leaf is called long wall mining. Yeah, this long wall mining usually used to, what is it? To break the wall of if the mineral is on the wall, they use the long wall mining. And then next, the last one, this is called continuous miner. Yeah, continuous miner. This is to take the, I guess maybe, yeah. This is to take the mineral if it's up on the roof of the ground, on the roof of the ventilation. Yeah. Now, if you see the beginning, I told you the picture of, you say BWE or the BWE. We don't say BWE. In English, we say BWE. What's it called? If you see the title, look at the title. Giant among bucket wheel excavator. So, B, you say B, bucket wheel excavator, ya, bucket wheel excavator. This is why it's called giant, ya. Kalau big, not enough to describe the gigantic machine, this kan, ya. Jadi pakai istilah giant, which means this is very very big. Tahu kan filmnya Doraemon? Nah, namanya giant tuh gemuk anaknya kan, nah, itu namanya giant. But this is the machines. I give you a text, this one, ya, about this. In this text, you see some blanks. Ada blanksnya di sini, ya, ada blanks, ada nomor-nomor yang saya kosongkan. What do you need to do? Is very easy, ya. Diisi aja, ya, nomor 1, ya, sampai nomor 5. Ada 5 blanks. Using the numbers on this picture. Pakai angka yang ada di sini. Ya, angka, numbers, ya. Last week we talk about this one, ya. Can you please share it to your friends? Besarkan ke sana temannya. Nih, sini juga. Nih, Melinda. One person, one paper. Ya, okay. Spare? Can I have the spare? Ready ya, guys? Okay. Now can you please fill them? Silakan isi, ya. Using the numbers over there. If you have questions, oh wait, any questions so far? Ada pertanyaan? Saya suruh apa? What I ask you to do? Yeah. Complete the blanks based on, berdasarkan picture. Yang diisi apa? Kata atau angka? Ya, numbers, ya, angka. Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry, I forgot. While you are doing your exercise, I'm calling your names, ya. Muhammad Ridandi, okay. Gandhi Handoyo, right. Rizky Reza, very good. Muhammad Kakar Renar, very good. Melinda, yes. Agio, Abi, Rizky Alfiansyah, Sahrul, okay. Ya, it can move cubic meter. Kalau dia cubic meter berarti mana gambarnya cubic meter tulisannya? Don't forget if it says cubic meters, it means it asks for volumes, ya. Cubic meters, volume. Okay. Ini cars, dibilang kan modern blank cars. Mana mobil, mana angka mobil? Itu kan? SAVS more than cars, mana cars itu kan? Okay, very good. Thank you, Gandhi. Yeah, what's the answer? One of the world's, we say one of the world's heaviest. Follow me, heaviest. Heaviest. Land vehicles, itu bacanya vehicles, ya. Tulisannya VEHICLE, bukan vehicle, we say vehicles. Vehicles. Is in use at gas boiler, open pit, lignite mine. It can move how much? Jawabnya 240,000 cubic meters. Yeah, cubic meters is a volume. Yeah, and it's heavy as more than 8,667 cars. Yeah, so it's very heavy. Okay, and it is as tall as Statue of Liberty. This is why there is the picture. Look, gambarnya ada gambar patung Liberty ya. Itu supaya gambaran perbandingan gitu. Setinggi itu. Ya, patung Liberty. Walaupun kita nggak pernah ke sana, okay? Same. I never go there, yeah, but this is very high because it's 96 meters high. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Okay. And the bucket wheel made up of 18 buckets. 18 buckets. It means which one is the bucket? This one, yeah. 18. If you count it, there are 18. Kalau itu 18 ini. Nggak percaya? Hitung aja. Yeah? Okay. Right. 18 buckets. And each bucket measuring 20 meters in diameter. Setiap bucket itu dia diameternya 20 meters. Yeah. The wheel driven by 840 kilowatt kW. We say not kW, but we say kilowatt. The motors, yeah. Motors mean the engines. And the aggregate drive power of the buckets is 3,360 kilowatt, equivalent to that of more than 30 compact cars. Oh, that's why. Oh, no, he doesn't say yeah. Okay, this one. And the cable is 30,000 volts. The total cable of this bucket wheel excavator is 120 kilometers. The total length, total panjang kabel ya, perkabelan di mesin ini tuh 120 kilometer. That almost from Palembang to my village. Okay, very long. Okay, any questions about this? Ada pertanyaan about the text? Kalau ada kata yang nggak tahu, silakan ditanya, ya. Okay, jangan bisik-bisik. Okay, right. So this is the beggar. When is it constructed? Kapan dia dibangun? Can you see the picture? Ya, 1975 to 1976. 3 tahun waktu membangunnya aja. Ya, okay. So this is very gigantic machine. Ya, okay. Right. Now, working with your friends, sama temennya. Ya, ada pertanyaan di sini ya. Gitu ya. Ada 5. You still have the reading with you. I want you to work with your friends berdua, ya. Ridandi and Gandhi, Rizky and Kakak, Melinda and Agio. Abi, yeah, you are going to go 3 of you answering the question. Dijawab pertanyaannya, ya. Berdasarkan teks. Silakan kerjakan barengan. I give you 3 minutes, is enough? 3 menit aja jawabnya ya. How much can BWE move a day? How much is that? This is the answer. Because the capacity. The question number 1, how much ya? Berarti it asks about the capacity. Yeah. And then how wide? Lebar. Conveyor. Yeah, the conveyor of the machine of beggar. And then how wide, lebarnya juga, but the buckets, yeah, the diameter of the buckets. And number 4, how long, berapa panjangnya, the cable of the beggar, yeah, seberapa panjang cable used in the beggar. And the last one, how heavy, seberat apa sih dia beggar itu. Okay, finish everyone? Yeah? Number 1, who wants to answer number 1? Have you finished your answers? Redandi, finish? Just write the answer, tulis the answersnya aja. This is number 1 already, okay. Number 2, this is number 2. Okay, 3. This one?
Kilometers.
Okay. And the last one? Okay. Have you done? Anybody wants to answer number 1? Rizky? Do you want to answer number 1? It's number 1. Number 2? Anybody wants to write number 2? Not right. Read the answer. Rizky? Can you? Number 2. Yeah. The conveyor. Yeah. What's the answer? What's your answer? Number 2? Yeah. Okay. Come on, Rizky. Read the question first.
What is the conveyor when the UWA over 3 meter in width?
Yeah, over 3 meters in wide. Yeah. Conveyor-nya itu 3 meter. Can you imagine the conveyor ya? Bukan panjangnya, lebarnya. Okay. Okay. So if you see the pictures, yeah, it has the dimension of this machine, yeah, of the bucket wheel excavator. Now we're going to talk about dimensions. Yeah, you know dimensions. If I show you this truck, or not truck, okay, yeah, this truck, let's say this truck is 12 meters long. 12 meters long. Long apa? Panjang. It's 3 meters high. Tinggi. That's called dimension. Itu namanya dimension. How do you say dimension in English? Look at this, yeah. We can use adjective or we can use noun. Adjective kata sifat. So if you want to say in using adjective, okay, right. Panjang, what is panjang in English? Long. Kalau kita pakai adjective, ya, pakai kata long, so we say the truck. The truck is 12 meters long. We use the word long or the adjective after the number, after the dimension. Itu kata dia adjektifnya long. Kalau dia kata kerjanya, nounnya long berubah jadi length. So dibalik lengthnya sebelum kata bendanya ya. The length, ya, the length of the bendanya apa? Ya, the truck is 12 meters. Period. That's a different, ya. Adjective sama noun could be different. Berbeda, ya, bisa beda. Dia lihat long, the adjective, the noun is length. Thick, apa thick? Tebal, ya. Thickness, ketebalan. And then deep, the sea, lautnya 500 meters, deep, dalam. Kata bendanya berubah jadi depth. The depth of the sea is 500 meters. Wide, lebar, ya. Width jadinya, lebarnya, bukan kelebaran, beda artinya, oke. Lebarnya, ya, itu 25 meter. And the last one, height. Height itu cara bacanya sama ya, walaupun tulisannya beda. Ya, the truck is 3 meters high, tingginya 3 meter. Ketinggian, height, which H-E-I-G-H-T, ya, dia menjadi noun. Ketinggiannya itu 3 meter. Ya, jadi itu bedanya. Question guys? Not yet? Nothing? Paham ya? Jadi bedanya di mana kalau adjektif? Letaknya di mana kata adjektifnya? Ya, kalau dalam kalimat dia bisa letakkan di akhir atau setelah dimensinya, after the dimensions. If we use the noun, ya, letakkan di sebelum kata bendanya, ya, atau the thing that we describe. Okay. Now that's mentioning, stating ya. Now we ask, kalau kita nanya gimana? Berapa panjangnya meter? Berapa panjangnya truk itu gitu? We can. Nah, tadi kita ada adjective, ada noun ya. Sama di pertanyaan juga ada. Kalau kita mau pakai adjective, how long? Seberapa panjang? How thick? Seberapa tebal? Ya. How deep? Right, very good. How wide? Lebar. How high? Tingginya. Okay, how high is the truck, for example. And if we use the noun, yeah, we don't use how, we use what. What is the length? Lengthnya, ya, diperhatikan ya, katanya ini kita pakai istilah length, pakai thick menjadi thickness. Depth menjadi deep menjadi depth, and then wide berubah jadi width, and the last one high. Okay. Now we still have another, asking for and giving. I already bring this. Yeah. Okay. This belongs to my kids actually. Yeah. I give it to you. I want you to talk in group, ya, dalam kelompoknya, asking for and giving information about this. Ya, saya bagikan langsung saja bertiga. Kalian bertiga working together, talking about that equipment, and Ridandi, Gandhi, Rizky in one group. Make a group. Silakan bikin kelompok. Ya, di bulat ya. And then you are this one. Bertiga, ya. And you bertiga. Okay? Right. Have you finished, everyone? Yes? Have you finished? Okay. Right. Have you finished? Can you see me? Okay. Right. Gandhi, have you finished talking about that already? Yeah. Okay. Now everybody, take a look at me. Just now you just talk about the equipments. Baru saja kan sudah talking, ya, berbicara tentang equipment yang saya kasih, ya. I see that you already use the word how long, how wide, dan lain-lain, ya. Udah benar penggunaannya, tapi jangan lupa strukturnya. How long is the truck, or how long is the bagger, or how long is the, what is it? Oh, the truck. What is that called? Ya, oke. Jadi strukturnya jangan lupa seperti ini harus, ya. Right. Any questions so far, everyone? Nothing? Okay. If you don't have any questions, for next week we are going to talk about equipments, but you are going to have a presentation. I will give you the detail of the assignment later on our LMS. Yeah. Thank you for coming, everybody, and I'll see you again next week. Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.